Okay, we are going to work, but right now I will order some coffee from Dunkin's. And hello, how are you doing, sir? Good morning. Can I get please avocado toast?
Two?
One avocado toast.
No bacon?
No bacon, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get please the latte, large?
Large ice latte?
No, hot.
Which one?
Sorry, hot, large hot.
Okay.
And one Boston cream. Done it.
Which one?
Boston cream.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. 11:65. So, and after that, there's like 3 minutes to the customer's house from here. Wow, nice car, nice girl. Astaghfirullah. Oh, what happened? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. That's it. I got my coffee, toast. I didn't earn nothing yet, but I spent money over there. That's the USA. That's the America. Okay, we are replacing today 2 springs. Wow, alert. What's going on? National Weather Service, tornado warning. Wow, 11:15. I got you, bro. I got you. Inshallah, everything will be good. Let's go. Ya Allah, Bismillah. Ya Bismillah. We got out this broken and the other one. We'll replace both of them. 2 springs. Yes. Okay. We are putting heavy duty than was before, the better ones. Okay, you got it. Yeah, working. Yeah, that's crazy. But we are doing well. Work.
This was my point. I said y'all want to do this right now because I don't have no power. See what's happening outside? No. Come look.
Everything like tornado is crazy outside. The lady's saying, and I got just subhanallah, just 2 lights like that. I'm working without lights. Alhamdulillah. Wow, it's okay. I can't hear the outside. It's very bad rain, but we got what we got. Alhamdulillah, in every situation I will keep going inshallah until I will done this job. Yeah. Okay. I did du'as, dhikrs when I went home. I know Allah will protect me. Yes. 1 second. 1 second. We got new springs back. Thank you, sir. Oh man, nice. Yeah, it's very hot. Outside tornado, but here sauna, Russian sauna. You know Russian sauna?
No, I don't know what a Russian sauna is.
Yeah.
Pretty sure it's hot as hell.
Mm-hmm.
That's where you're from, Russia?
No, I'm from Azerbaijan, very close by the Russia.
Okay.
You know Azerbaijan? Never heard?
No, I never heard of it.
Oh, sad. I'm kidding. It's like Caucasian mountains, Caspian Sea.
Okay.
You heard about Caspian Sea,
Yeah,
Caucasian
Caspian
Sea?
Sea.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm from there, Azerbaijan. Capital city is Baku.
Okay.
Baku. You have to check it, bro. It's very, very amazing country. Amazing people like me. Very nice, like very tasty food. Yeah, it's like right now it's second Dubai. The people are coming from our.
What is it, 28 turns for it to be tight?
Yes, sir. Okay, that's it. Let's see what's going on outside. Nothing happened, sir. Everything is good. Yeah, the cables good here. 1 second. Here's good. Okay. Oh. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Can you open this with opener, please? Oh, I forget it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it works. Yeah, if it's manual, it works well, so it will work. Lubricating from the springs.
So if they not lubricated, they have brakes.
You know, it's like car. You have to like take care about them. You know, lubricate at least 4 times a year, every season. You know, the hinge. You see, inside. Try to do it like at least like winter, when winter starting, when spring or summer. You know, and here from the outside. You see, and a little bit here. Same thing over here. Okay. It's nice. It's cool, not cold. Cool, because of inside. It was very cold, very hot. I was like sweating. But tornadoes end. I end my job and tornadoes end. Alhamdulillah. Let me open. Yes. Oh. That's it. Right now, the most important, the payment. I love it. I love the end of the job. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Hey, the broken springs going to the garbage. I will put that for the guys who are collecting the metal stuff. I always do that. I'm helping them too to earn some money. And I got one of them here too. This is my transmission for my food truck. Inshallah, I will find it soon. The most good time. I got money. Okay, 1 second. The customer was very nice person. Really, I appreciate him. Yeah, amazing. I got my money. He gave me water. Nice person. That's it. That's how to do business. Kindly, nice, professional, and really quick. Try to job. 1 second. AC. Yeah. That's alhamdulillah. The water is nice now. Right now it's okay. Seems okay. I will see. Yes, but that's it for this job. Wow, look at that. Look at that outside. What's going on? Wow, that's nothing for now. But I think I will see so many stuffs outside. Let's stop the car. Check. Wow, you see guys there? Wow. Wow. Wait. I will drive there. Wow, man. Subhanallah. I'll take these ones out from there. Wow. Look at that. Look. It's like, wow. Subhanallah. Let me just turn a good way. Subhanallah. Whoa. Tornado. Astaghfirullah. May Allah protect everybody from the. May Allah protect everybody from the tornado and that kind of stuff. Subhanallah. Earthquake. So look. There are go. Wow. So I will like clean it, inshallah. Right now it's for the people. If you are helping, doing like something like that, it's very big hasana, very big good deed. Bismillah. My brother, what's going on there? What's going on there? Bismillah. Wow. Ya Allah. Whoa. Ya Allah. So guys, right now I'm back home, like 2 hours or 2.5 hours later. Look at that, look at that. So there's no tornado or something like that. Subhanallah. Norwich, welcome. Welcome to Norwich. Village of Norwich, 1948. Let's go, let's do it. You see that? Here is like swimming pool from after the rain, after the tornado. I'm living very close by the, well, wait. I'm living very close by the forest reserve. It's amazing over there. And sometimes you can see the deer, wolves, fox, rabbits, and sometimes they are here, but not today.